So this is your development environment. Here you can see updating indexes and building and all this stuff. Okay, so we will start from the new project. We have to go to this file, new, and then new project. Okay, so we have to select empty views activity, then next, then mention here application name. So I'm writing my school app. Okay, so language we need to select Java, and from this API level you can select the lowest level. So this is 7.0, means like I think so we have to check for the levels 4.1. Okay, so now here you can see almost 100% of devices can use your application. Then here we have to select this one, group DSL build Gradle, and then finish. Okay, so now it will create a project. Okay, so here you can see a Gradle project sync is in progress. Okay, so here you can see this is the blue line which is showing like it's in progress, and once it's successfully built, then we are able to add any things, like we can make design of the application and then we can add the backend of the application. So we have to wait for it. Okay, and this side you have the Gradle, idea apps, resource, and try test. Okay, main Java. Here you will have, this is the, you can say, structure layout of the application. Okay, here you are having the main Java file. This is Java file in which you need to add backend coding, and then in the resources you have the XML files here. Okay, so we have to check for the sources, and then once it's finished, then you will find the XML and you can say Java files. Then you will have the colors, strings, and all the stuff there, and then we will use them in the project. Okay, as for now it already have opened the you can say XML, but now it's in progress. Okay, Java Gradle is building. So once it's successfully built, then it will show you design, and then you can add the different images and whatever the design you want to make in the screens, you can add those one. Okay, so let's wait for it, and then we will continue. Okay, so now you can see here it's built successfully, and you can now see the screen, and then we can make it a little bit here. Okay, this is the front view, like XML activity, like in which we design the front end of the application, and this is the backend Java file in which we will add the backend code to perform different buttons and layouts to perform any action. Okay, then you have the three options here. Okay, this is for code, like these are all are for the XML view. Okay, if you click on this, it will only show you XML backend. Okay, and if you click on this image, it will show you only the front end. It does not show any backend of the screens. If you click on this, it will provide you split view, of front end and back end. Okay, so here we have to add the XML code for the screens, which for different options, labels and images or buttons, whatever we want to add in the screen, we have to do in this XML file. And if we want to perform any action in the back end of the buttons, we have to add the code in this Java file. Okay, so if we see here you have the manifest, okay, file, then Java. In the first Java com example, here you have the main activity, this one Java main activity, and then in the resources file you have drawables, layout, map, values, XML. Then in the drawables, whatever the things are like for example you want to add the colors or you want to add the images, so you have to add those images in the drawable folder and then you can add them in the code. And then layout, okay, so in the layouts you have the activities, all the activities XML files. So whatever the activity you want to change their interface or whatever you want to change in the interface front end of the application, you can just double click on this activity and it will open, as you can see here. Okay, till now do you have any question?
No, miss.
Okay, so now we have to make the you can say, first of all we have to make the splash screen. Okay, then we have to make the login screen, and then we have to make register screen, and we have to add the like different home screen and student dashboard, teacher dashboard, and different options whatever they have asked in the assignment brief. Okay, so one by one we will see. So this is the main activity and we will make this activity as a login activity. Okay, and then we will add new file and new activity, and then in that activity we will add the, you can say, splash activity, and then we will add backend code. Okay, so we will work in the linear layout. Okay, so here we have to change it. Okay, so now you can see it. I have mentioned 2 3 letters of that word. Okay, and it giving me the suggestion. So for that suggestions to work, you have to press the tab key. Okay, from the keyboard. So tab, once you press, it is added. Okay, linear layout. Then here. Okay, now we have its ID is main. Then we have to add the orientation. Okay, I am adding the orientation. So I will add vertical. Okay, then we can add the background color, background color or white. Okay, so we are keeping white background, so I have added background color. Okay, so bottom margin, for example, we can take layout margin bottom. So this is, we can keep it 20 dp. Okay, and then here we can, what we can add, padding we can add, padding also 16 dp. Okay, these are the units. Okay, so I already made one project for you, like we will see that one and then we will add the things. Okay, so if we see the XML of this activity, sorry, this one. Okay, and we will take the things from this one. Okay, padding is 24, vertical, and gravity center and color white. Let's check our file. Padding is 24, color white and center. 24. The orientation is vertical and Gravity. We have to set the gravity center. Center. Okay. If they like they are giving you suggestions, so you can say just press the tab button, and then they are you can say add it. Okay, now we have to add the image. Okay, like logo image, then we have to mention the application name and username, password fields, and then login button. So for adding the image, we have to add here image view. Okay, so image view. Third one. Okay, wrap text. Okay, and then what things we can add? Okay, image view height and width we have to take it 150, and description and bottom margin. Okay, 150. 150 dp. Okay, content description is app logo. App logo, margin, bottom, dp, and we have to add the image. So for adding the image, before adding the image, we have to add the image in the drivable. Okay, and for that we have to go to our PC. Like you can make any logo, whatever the logo you want to make. Then you have to make it like make sure this is PNG file, JPEG file, JPG, or you can say the one SVG file. Okay, so this is the image we will copy. I copy it, copy, and then go to this and click on drawable, and here we will have paste option. Okay, so okay, school. Okay, yes, SVG, SVG. Okay, it has given me error. Wait a second. Read this. Okay, I am adding the SVG file, but it's giving me, you can say, error. So let's delete this, and then we will change it to JPEG. Go to Google. Okay, this file is available. Let me see it here. Last week, what is its downloads? Okay, this one. I will add this one. Okay, so copy this one, copy, and then go to this drawable and paste it here. Now it will give you correct. Okay, so now we have added the school image here, and we have to add it here in the XML file. So we have to add the src, then drawable, wait a second, equal to okay. So drawable, so first one is our image. So now we have added the jpg file in the drawable, and then we have added it in the xml file. Here you can see it is showing here in the design. Okay, so if we make it a little bit, okay, so here you can see images added. Okay, now we have to add the, you can say, text view, like label if we want to add. So we will add text view. So this is already added, so in this we will change here school app. Okay, and then what things we can add here? Wrap content, text size, color, and text style. Okay, so wrap content, text size, text size. Okay, sp. Then we can add color. Okay, so here we will add the color, which is like we can add any color, but we will add this purple 700. Okay, so okay, so this is giving you error because we have to first define the colors in the colors file. So for that we will do it later. And bottom margin, we can remove these ones. Okay, and then what are the other things? We can add the headings and margin bottom. We can copy it and paste it here. Okay, and this we can make it 50. Okay, so for making the colors, like this color to work here, we have to go to these values and we have to open this colors. Okay, you can see here added the black and white colors that we can use by default, but we want to make our own colors, so we have to add the colors file, and then I can go here, and already we have added two colors here. Okay, and then I can copy and I can paste it here. Okay, so for you have to make by yourself, like you can take idea from this, and whatever the color you want to add, you can add here and their code, and then you can insert them in the file. So if we see here now, no, not this one. Here now you can see visible, school app is visible, logo is visible. Okay, and you can see its color is changed. Okay, so this is how we have added the image view, in which we have added the logo, we have added the text view, in which we have added the school app name. Okay, then we have to add the username and password. For that we have to add the text image text view, sorry, edit text. So edit text, and then for height and width we can check which we can add. Okay, I can copy this all, and then I can paste it here. Okay, so okay, so for that edit text, you have to add the ID. Okay, then match parent, height and width. Then is hint we have added, like is it a username or email? Okay, user can enter email or username. Okay, then a text input type. What is input type? Text email address. Okay, like the user can enter special characters, numbers, and the alphabets. Then padding we have given 20. Okay, padding means like in this field you can see height and width of text from all sides. Okay, within the field. Then we have added the background, tribal edit text background. Okay, so here we have to go back to the tribal again, and then we have to add the edit text. Okay, we have to add what we have to add, new drawable resource file, in which we will add edit text background. Okay, edit text background, yes. Okay, so in which we will define the background of the edit text background. So we can check from the other file. This is the edit text background, and you can say copy this one if it's not giving me any error. Okay, so this we have to remove. So we have to remove, and then we have added the drawable text. Okay, so if we go back here, where we have to change the name, like we have to correct the spellings. Background. Okay, then here again. Okay, so we have added the text, edit text to enter email. Okay, and to enter username or password. Okay, so this text, edit text is for email or username, and this one. Okay, and then this second one is for password. Okay, so this is the second one. Okay, then down we have added the button, login button. Okay, this is the login button, and we have added its id. Okay, layout, with height, text, which text we will add, whatever the text we want to add in the button or in the, you can say, things. So we have to add the text, and then whatever the text we want to show there. Then its color. Okay, so we have added its color as in the color file. We have added the two colors, purple 500 and purple 700. So for button we have added the purple 500. Okay, then we have size. Okay, 25 sp, then padding 16 dp, then layout margin bottom. Okay, 10 dp. So this layout is from like wherever we our things are, like tools, any widgets are there. So from that widget, from that you can say space to bottom, we have to give the, you can say, margin. So from this to this, this is the margin for this button. Okay, then we have added text view, text view again for forget password. Okay, here, and then for one text view for if you don't have any account, then register. Okay, so these are the things we have added in the linear layout. And now if we want to check like whether our application has what is the layout in the mobile, so it like it does not work in these my PC. So what I will do, I will have to, okay, we have to go to this device manager, and connect their device using a Wi-Fi. So I am connecting my mobile over the Wi-Fi. So in the mobile, you have to go to the systems settings, then system, then you have to go to developer option, then you have to click on the wireless debugging option in the mobile phone, then click enable it, and then pair device with QR code. So now if I am going to pair this device, so it will take a little bit time. And then we will able to run the device, so run the application, and then we will see our application how it's look in the app. Close this one, then try again. Wireless debugging, pair with device, pair choosing code. Okay, pair enter 688284, pair. Maybe now it will connect. No, my emulator is not connecting. I will connect my mobile. So once your mobile connected, okay, like this message will appear in front of you, and then we can close it here. Okay, now our device is connected. So here you can see Infinix, Infinix. This this is the device name. Okay, So now we have connected this device. Now we will run this app from this button and we will check its design on this screen. So let's see how much time it will take. Other this screen you will have on your mobile. Okay, so I sent you the picture of the front screen. Okay, that is the screen which will be appear once you make the front end design of the application. Okay, so this is how you can design the activities. So we have designed first activity now, and you can see we have added the logo, then school app name, then email or username password and login, and then the forget password and don't have account. So these are the things which we can add, and we can add these options like image view, text view, edit text. Edit text means like the text which we can edit. So wherever we want users to enter the details, we have to add the edit text, and where we want to show like labels and things like static text, we can add the text view. And for adding the images, we have to add the image view, and for adding the buttons like to perform actions, we have to add the button widget, and then we can add the things in the backend. Okay, so this is how you can make the activity. So now what is your work? You have to design this layout in your Android Studio, and then you have to send me the code, or if your device is connected properly and it's not giving you any error, then you have to send me the screenshot of this layout. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so this is for today. And